We're here today at 107 Meadowcroft Drive in Centreville, Maryland, showcasing a big Colonial that is ready to grow with you and your lifestyle, as we've got 3,000 square feet of living space in a 5-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. We also have a mini conditioned basement, which is going to provide you with loads of storage for all of your holiday needs, your out of season clothes, you name it, you can go downstairs to the walkway and put it under this home. We've got a true great layout because in the back part of the home is an open floor plan with this huge kitchen behind me here, as well as a great big inviting living room space with cozy gas fireplace and stone accent. But the best feature is we have 2 bonus rooms here on the first floor, one behind me here, which is an empty room with a closed door, which would be great for an office, a yoga studio, playroom. But then if you do work from home, this option is also great because right off the front entryway, we have this true dedicated space with French glass doors. So again, lots of options in this property, ready to grow with you and your lifestyle. I'm walking through the front formal dining room space and just giving you a quick tour of the main level. Upstairs, the primary suite is ginormous, and you still have those 4 ancillary bedrooms off it. We also have an attached 2-car garage and laundry room between the garage and the main living area. And we've got a fully fenced backyard with a big, nice truck stack. So it's perfect for entertaining and heading outside and not having to worry about a thing. Great big kitchen, as you can see, and I can't wait for you to come by and check it out. We're at 107 Meadowcroft Drive in Centreville, Maryland, a home that will suit all your needs and is ready to grow with you.